Okay guys, I'm really excited because today I'm going to be working with Ali, who owns Groundhouse Coffee Vintage Store in downtown Oneonta, and we're going to be organizing her back room. So I think I'm at the back door, so let's go find out.
Professional.
Well,
right on stage, right? I'm like,
hi guys, it's Emily, the Minimalist Mama. Here we like to talk about minimalism with grace. And today I have a super fun project because I'm here with Ali of Groundhouse. Tell us a little bit about what you have going on in here.
yeah, so, well, currently it's just like an eruption of a collection of things for the past like 15 years. But the space right now is hopefully going to be converted into a studio space so I can photograph inventory, ship out inventory, just mend, hem, take care of any inventory I have prior to putting it on the floor, and then eventually will be shifted into a kitchen for a coffee shop.
How long have you been in this building now?
So I signed my lease in September of last year, so it's been about a year, and prior to coming in here I had an entire renovation, a drop ceiling I had to take out, and carpeted floors with tile underneath, plywood, and then like thousands of nails.
Oh,
so it was
really?
it was like a 2-month project of just basically demo. It wasn't really a renovation, it was just demo, so just clearing the space. And it used to be a head shop, so the colors of the space were like all black and red. They had like crazy designs and graffiti. So I was slowly, painting and spackling, and a lot of help from my boyfriend and my family.
Yeah.
This has been one of the last projects.
Right, and you have more stuff that's at home.
Yes.
A lot more inventory that you need to bring over here.
Yes.
But we really have to get this space functional for that stuff to come into.
Yeah, exactly. And this space was kind of housing all of the paint materials or like any of the construction,
stuff,
the renovation stuff that I needed. So it's been a storage space, and I utilize it for, actually have a purpose for it, and not, take over my house.
Right.
All the inventory I have.
Yeah. And we really need it to be a space that your interns can then come in and know where stuff is.
Exactly, yeah. So I don't have to be here 24/7.
Right. Awesome.
So you're a lifesaver.
Yeah. I'm excited to get started.
Yeah, well, feel free to try anything on.
Okay. I should say too, I don't usually organize in jeans, but I bought these jeans here, and so I had to wear them today, especially. I know you have a lot of stuff to go do.
Yes.
So I will get busy.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. One of the things that was really fun about this project was that, unlike most of my projects, it didn't really involve any decluttering. I was really just sorting into different categories and piles, since pretty much everything that was in here were things that Ali is going to sell in her shop. So it was really just a matter of sorting through the piles and categorizing them and making sure everything has a home. There's going to be a lot of time lapses in this video because I was working as fast as I possibly could. It's a lot to get done in 3-hour sessions. So I hope you enjoy the sort of 1970s music that I've picked out, and just enjoy watching this room come together. Okay, so we made it through the center pile. But now the real work begins. At one point, I unplugged the giant gray cord that you might have noticed in some of the pictures before that was running through the room. I unplugged it and moved the cord, and then later discovered that that cord was actually for the refrigerator. So yeah, I had to get plugged back in again. Beautiful vintage finds. I wish I didn't have to go this fast. I could have shown you some of them up close, but you'll just have to visit Ali's shop for yourself. So here's stuff that belongs to them. It's not vintage, so that's stuff for them to take home. Empty totes, lids that don't go to totes, reusable bags, stuff to be washed, summer stuff, so we're gonna help from like just other stuff to be washed. This all has to be sorted. Oh, that's where that lid goes. Oh, okay. But I've got coats and dresses hung up here. All the leather jackets are together, and then some sweaters, and then down here skirts and pants, tees, sweaters. I put that stuff up there. That all needs to be sorted still, but this is all the summer almost.
There's so much space.
Yeah, I had to flip that rack around. Yeah. And now you can hang on the top and the bottom.
Oh my god, that makes sense.
So it works better. So I've got sweaters there and then t-shirts at the bottom for right now. Yep. But when we get another rack, then we can totally hang up all the sweaters. Okay. I don't love how this is.
Yeah.
Right now.
I was looking for this hat.
Oh.
My leather biker hat.
It's so cool. I saw that. It's really cool.
Did you have fun? Were you like, oh my god, this is cool? Yeah. I don't have like a ton of the. I've sold so much.
Okay, for session 2, the next week, Ali had been to an estate sale and had totally cleaned out this person's closets. So she had a ton of new inventory in, and she was also prepping for a couple photo shoots. Stuff we gotta sort and put away, and also we need to go through these 3 racks, actually 4 racks, because there's another hanging rack over there, and we need to sort all of that stuff too. So let's go. I'm not freaking out. Are you freaking out? I'm not freaking out. Let me tell you, 3 hours goes by really fast when you have a big job to do and when you get to organize something that you really, really love. I was trying to move this rack with a lot of coats on it and it collapsed. So that's great. Thankfully, it bent back into place fairly easily. I just was careful to only use this rack for the photo shoot items instead of heavy things like the coats. I feel like I should apologize in advance for the reveal footage coming up, because I just feel really awkward taking video of other people. I don't know why. It's something I need to get over. So yeah, sorry that you can't really see their reactions very well, but at least you can kind of hear the reactions. And apologies for the shaky camera work. So I am shocked that I got through all
I
of this.
can't believe you did this.
Right here is all your stuff for your photo shoot.
Okay, amazing.
I'm thinking I want to make a new tag that says like photos or something like that. So you always have one to keep it separate. And then this stuff I have is floor ready because this stuff has tags on it.
Okay, perfect.
So, and I tried to get all the nice hangers on it too. So all of this stuff has tags. And then this is the outerwear section, but it kind of spills over here because of how heavy these are.
Yeah, right.
So we've got all the leather and black here with the military jacket. And then these are all tops. I feel like they're all kind of fall winter.
Oh my god, I wish I had your brain. I'm like so impressed.
Oh,
I am such the I'm like, oh my god, you're like, here, this goes here, this goes here. I'm like so impressed.
It took a little trial and error, but
Yeah.
And like right now I just have tees up here and denim up here. That's not super functional, but
Yeah.
like, we'll get it figured out.
I know. Yeah.
Wait.
She freaking tagged everything with cool font and everything.
So wait, is this the same amount of stuff?
Yeah, all the stuff that was in here
Is still in here.
Is in here.
She's a magician.
Yeah, clearly. She makes things disappear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Exactly.
Very cool.
God, I know.
Okay, we're back. Not much has changed since last time. I think there's a little bit more new stuff here. There's some new stuff here. But these are what I'm bringing in. That stuff's still here. So we gotta deal with that. Some new stuff over here. And here. And there. I like that a lot. The only problem is I thought we were getting another big rack like that, and it's not here. Okay. Ali did have another smaller rack for me to use, so I was able to make that work. Sadly, I don't have Ali's final reaction on video, but I hope you enjoy seeing the final transformation of this space. Make sure you go follow Ali in the Ground House on Instagram. She does Instagram sales all the time. And also leave a comment down below with what you thought of this transformation. And I'll see you next week.